You know how you always have one glove that wears out before the other one? You always end up with some finger wore out before your other hand. Usually your right hand's working harder than your left. Well, I'm gonna try to fix that. For one. But I'm gonna take this finger off of this one right here and put it on this one over here. So I'm just gonna snip that off about as low as I can get it. And then I'm gonna just clean the tip of that, whack the tip of that off just a little bit. Not like that. Okay, so now I've got those two tips whacked off of there. Then I've got some adhesive here. This just happens to be some kitchen adhesive and sealant. So I'm just gonna cover that all over this finger. Get some on there. Take this old pair of gloves I had, been using as a sacrifice, and just rub that all around that fingertip. So just get it all on there like that. Take that off. Now take that finger you've cut off, and then just stick your finger up through there. Push it all the way up on there. Should go. Yeah, there you go. Cup it up there good so it feels all right, like if you're gonna use it. Shove it up in there, then you pull it back off. And then what you do is just trim off this extra around that fingertip down to where about the glue is, and then you'll have a good finger to use when it's done. Go ahead and cut off this too. Won't hurt none to just cut that off of there. There. Let that dry till the morning. A little stubby on this one, unfortunately, but that should do the trick. And then that pair of gloves can go with this good left hand still and go back to work.